Marrying into money, love, and families. Understanding the phrase, marry into. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that often pops up in conversations about marriage and relationships. Marry into. What does it mean to marry into something? And why is this phrase so commonly used? By the end of this video, you'll not only understand the meaning and usage of this phrase but also be able to use it confidently in your own conversations. So, let's dive in. The phrase, marry into, is used when someone joins a new family by marriage, gaining a new set of relatives. It's not just about the union of two people, but the union of two families. Often, this phrase also carries the connotation of marrying someone from a particular social, economic, or cultural background. For instance, when someone says, he married into royalty, they mean that he married someone who is a royal family member. This means that through marriage, the person gains certain statuses or privileges associated with being part of that family. Now, let's talk about how to use marry into in a sentence. The structure is quite simple. Marry into plus a family, noun, to become a part of a family by marriage. Here are some examples. She married into a wealthy family. By marrying Anna, Ben married into a family of artists. They were discussing the benefits and challenges of marrying into different cultures. Remember, the phrase doesn't only refer to monetary or social gain, it can also simply reflect the new relational ties formed by marriage. Sometimes, marrying into a family can come with certain expectations or assumptions. This might mean adjusting to new traditions, values, or lifestyles. It's important to understand that while the phrase can have positive connotations, such as gaining wealth or status, it might also suggest challenges like cultural adaptation and living up to the new family's expectations. It's fascinating to see how this phrase encapsulates so much more than just the act of marriage. It's about the meshing and blending of life's complex social fabrics. Marry into is a theme that has been explored in countless novels, movies, and TV shows. Characters often face the ups and downs that come with marrying into families of different backgrounds. This makes for an interesting plot device to explore themes of love, class, and family dynamics. I hope this explanation helps you understand the many layers of meaning behind the phrase, marry into. Whether it's about joining a new family by marriage, understanding the social implications, or seeing it used in pop culture, now you can use marry into to describe more than just the act of getting married. It's about the new connections and experiences that come with it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.